Welcome to White Shadow Fare, where I'm making it homemade and I'm making it with love. Today, I'm making a zucchini bread, perfect for this time of year. Our ingredients are as follows: all-purpose flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, eggs, oil, sugar, vanilla, zucchini, and toasted walnuts. First, start by chopping your walnuts. You'll need 1 measured cup. And then go ahead and toast them. I like to toast mine just in a cast iron skillet, but you can do it in the oven as well. Stir the nuts frequently so they do not burn. While those were toasting, I grated 2 cups of zucchini. The zucchini is used for adding moisture to this recipe, so do not squeeze out any of the liquid from the zucchini. If you're using frozen zucchini, just drain off any of the liquid that has accumulated there, but don't squeeze any extra out. In a bowl, put 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon each of salt, baking powder, and baking soda, a tablespoon of cinnamon. Stir well, sift or whisk these ingredients together, and place them off to the side and grab a second bowl. Place 3 eggs, 1 cup of oil, two and 1/4 cups of sugar, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and you're going to mix this for 3 minutes. Once your mixture is nice and creamy, you're going to go ahead and add in your flour mixture. You don't want to overmix your flour mixture, so mix until the flour has just disappeared. Go ahead and add your 2 cups of grated zucchini. Gently fold in the toasted nuts. Now you are going to divide your batter between 2 greased and floured 8x4 pans, or you can go ahead and line them with parchment like I did. These will bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes. Everybody's oven is different, so use a toothpick to make sure they're done. So this bread gets a very crispy crust on the top, but it's nice and tender on the inside. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. It's the perfect one for putting an extra loaf in the freezer for later on, or gifting it to a friend or neighbor. Thank you for joining me at White Shadow Fare. Consider subscribing and liking.